Hello and welcome back to Kerbal Space Program Ascent series, where today we will be launching for escape the atmosphere. We're not going to get into orbit. I am going to turn toward the desert just in case anything goes wrong. We can ditch early, maybe hit the desert, maybe another biome. I just realized we had some reaction wheels, so I did slide them into here and then use the offset tool to kind of move it back up because it is a little bit smaller. So this just looks a little bit better. I can take it up a little higher so that it meshes nice, but there is the reaction wheel underneath there. I have got a pretty tall rocket. It is using the big booster through a couple of fins on the bottom just to get it through the first stages of the atmosphere, but I don't think we're going to be able to lean or turn. I have no idea. Not been tested. So here we go. We got Jebediah in the cockpit. We are launching to the west. We are going to attempt... Oh, no. Wait. We're going to leave him on the pad, and we're going to go to the Space Center. And we are going to accept from Mission Control a contract. Escape the atmosphere. Breach the atmosphere by flying a vessel to an altitude of 70,000 meters to achieve this goal. So we're going to go to 70,000, hopefully. Accept it. This is our one and only mission at the moment. But we do have experiments on. We can run. Jebediah's cockpit is in the cockpit, in the capsule. I am going to turn on stability control. You know what? We don't have any batteries. We just have a little bit of batteries, so we may not go with the SAS right now. We might turn it on after the booster. Okay, here we go. Jebediah, you ready? Yeah, he's ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Usually I'll turn over. Oh, it's turning itself. It is turning itself. I better put on stability control. I just don't want to right now. I think it's going to be okay. We're almost through with that. Then I'll turn it on. Almost ready for booster separation. 330. Here comes SAS. And brake. Fire. Oh, come on. We can do this. Go, Jebediah. Go. There we go. No, let's hold it. Nope, gonna kill the engine and we're gonna fire it again here. A couple of Kerbal back flips. As soon as we get through this atmosphere. We can hold it steady right in there. Almost through with this burn. Okay, we eject or separate. We've got the little one now. Here we go. Are we going to make it to 70,000? Let's just kill the engine and drift a little bit. We are in a thick atmosphere. There we go. Let's cut the engine, take a look at our map real quick just to see about where we are. We're at 103 apoapsis, so we are going to break the atmosphere. Let's head towards the desert. We are in space. He's going to do some experiments now. We'll keep him. He'll do a crew report from space. We'll go ahead and send that. No, let's keep it. I don't know about our battery situation at the moment. Let's do a goo. So the stability wasn't all there. It started turning. It could be because of the weight of the capsule. Okay, we've got that. No batteries. I need batteries. Because even if we do land, yeah, we need to send the crew report. Transmit the crew report, watching our battery. Almost gone. Turning SAS off for now so we can save a little bit of battery. Jebediah, the first Kerbal in space. We're approaching our apoapsis, so we're going to fire now and try to get this line over here to okay, it turned just a little bit, but we are also rotating, so try this. Here we go. Okay, it's turned just to the right way. Now we'll give it a little bit more boost this direction. Hopefully we can get way over here. I don't know how much fuel we have left. We'll just burn till we're out of fuel. And maybe up just a bit. Oh, we are out. We're out of fuel. That's it. We're coming in. Let's go ahead and jettison the engine, rocket engine. That is it. We are falling. We're going to be falling into atmosphere again. Don't know about these experiments. He ought to, let's EVA. Oh, he can't EVA. Cannot disembark off Kerbal surface. Astronaut complex. Ah. So he can't gather, he can't take any of the data. I was kind of hoping for that, but oh well. So we're at 82,000 meters and falling. And we will not make it to the desert. We need to get better control. Control authority. I'm not even sure what the if there was a setting we could change it. Hopefully it was set to the maximum, but sometimes it isn't. Okay, we are entering the atmosphere now. Can he do a report from way up here? Already got it. Upper atmosphere. Okay, here we come. We're traveling at 1,360 meters per second. I don't think we'll have a problem. I mean, we'll get a little hot. There goes the rocket engine as well. It may have a little issues, but we hope that we do not, or that Jeb does not. Oops, some things are getting hot. We're at 28,000. Boy, that is just speeding through down there. Okay, I think we're going to be good. And we might even hit desert. Which is going to cause a problem. Well, he can get out, collect the data, store it. Yeah, I think this will be okay. He needs to do a crew report flying over the desert, maybe? Yes, flying over deserts. Let's keep that. Hey, we've built charge back up. Oh, the engine. The engine would charge. Opening at 1,000 meters. That hasn't exploded yet. I'm going to go ahead and pull the chute, Jebediah. Alright. So we are over the desert. So let's fix the glitch on that. And I am not going to let Jebediah step out just yet. We're going to get down. We're going to take care of all these science missions first. But we are over the desert. We need to get some battery. We need to get some battery, and well, we need to be able to recharge. That should be our next. That way we can go into space. Almost ready to touch down in the deserts on Kerbal. Alright, we're down. Jeb, what do you think? Okay, we can... Can we do a crew report? No. What we have to do is we have to EVA, take the data, take the data from in there. We'll also grab this data as well. Take the data, take the data. Oh, that's kind of terrible. Take data. Can you take this data, collect data? Yes, that's okay. Okay, he's got all the data. Let's do an EVA report. Keep it. Let's get back in. Board. Now he's going to put all the data into the capsule. And then we should be able to do one from the desert. Let's keep that. Only 3. 2.5. We'll keep that. Now, he did one from outside. What was that? What did he do? EVA report. EVA report from... Yeah, I think we got that one already. And he can't do a surface sample or anything. Board it. Yes, board up experiment. As far as I know, I think that is all. Oh, crew report. Crew report from the desert. There we go. Now that's all. Let's go ahead and recover the vessel. And we earned 51 science. We have 107 science right now. We got these parts back, which was 3,000. And the crew, no experience gained. Not even a suborbital trajectory would get us. Okay, we got 107, which is definitely going to get us our batteries and chargers. I think that is... Do you think that's all we need? We've got the big rockets. Oh, that's the little one. That's the T-200. This would be 45, and 45 is 90, so we can get bigger tanks. Yeah. This is what we need. The bigger tanks and the batteries. And the solar panels, what are you? Oh, probodopedine. These are some decouplers. We don't really need those. What about you? Well, I'd really like to get those. That way we could build a rover, go around to each of the little biomes here at the KSC, pick up the data, but not, you know, we would store it. We're going to send it up to a laboratory above Kerbal. Let them work on it first. That would give us this, better control. Man, there's some good stuff we need here, huh? This doesn't give us any science, but it gives us that power, and I really have to have that power. Yeah, we're going for it because we can spend more time in space. We can send a scientist up. We can't orbit anything yet, but we need the power. We need the power. Let's get it. Oh! That's 90, isn't it? That's 90. Oh, yo. Don't really need these yet. These launch stabilizers should be first, but bigger engine. And this is 90. We gotta have it. There's no more experiments here. Lander legs. We gotta have it. I'm buying it. 90. So we went this direction. At least with this, we could land in the deserts again and get the goo. So we have 17. Can we go ahead and just get this? Oh, it cost 18. Well, we could step out and get... No, we need to create some kind of rover first. So this was our first rocket that launched. It was unstable. It didn't get us... This didn't get us high enough, really, through the atmosphere first. If I'd had fins on here, that would have kept us stable as well. If we put 3 fins on, would that keep us more stable? Jeb, are you ready to go again? Let's see, when we landed we were going 5 point something miles per hour. How heavy is that? It's almost a ton. Yeah, everything was on. Toggle torque was normal, wheel authority, so it was trying its best to keep us straight. Maybe with these fins, that will help. We'll move it back up to there, make it look good. We don't need any monopropellant. That's all emptied, yes. Parachute was good. We've got a lot of data from the desert. We could head north and see if we can get into highlands or something like that, or the mountains. But we know we can get into space. What's our total? 2,751. This is showing 3,300. So, I don't know. Can we put another? That was kind of slow, but it was getting us up there, wasn't it? We could add another. Can we add another tank? I think that's going to do it. The height is 20 meters, it looks like. 17 tons, 24 of 30 parts. I'm kind of debating on what to do. Oh yeah, we need solar panels. Do we need them in 3s? I guess we can 3s, as long as it doesn't block the door. That'll give us a little charge. And we really have enough battery as long as we can charge back up the battery, and that's fine. I think that is all we needed to do. Break that off. Let's give it a go. We added a little bit more fuel. 3,051. We have our antenna. We are going to the deserts once more. Hopefully with better control. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. And it is leaning on its own. It's because of the weight of the goo, or the aerodynamics. We'll go full throttle on the... I don't know if we need to go full throttle on that second engine. We'll go 2/3 throttle. Almost out of solid rocket fuel, ready for booster separation here. We'll go 1/3 throttle. Here comes the kick in the pants. There we go. Oh no, come on. Hold it. Okay, let's turn on SAS. It uses battery, but it seems to be holding. Those fins are working. Yeah, those fins are working there. A little bit. It's still hard to center. Oh, I just realized I wasn't going really that fast, but 350 meters per second. And we are heading south again. We're going to miss the desert, it appears. Let's see how far we can get this. Can we do... Oh, that's that. Already got those. Can we do goo from up here? Yeah, we'll take that goo. What about barometric pressure? Yes, we'll take that one. Temperature, probably already got it while flying over. Oh no, upper atmosphere. Keep it. So this this dark blue right here, I guess, is considered upper atmosphere than the lower atmosphere. Okay, let's go ahead and break this one off. Jettison that. Let's check our trajectory line here. See where we're. Yeah, we didn't do much. We may hit in the mountains, but let's go ahead and fire it up. We'll kind of head north just a bit. We never even really left the atmosphere, but uh-oh. Getting hot now. See if we can head up. Or slow down a little bit. Kind of guide us into the mountains there, I guess. Okay, that's that. Let's go ahead and separate the tank there. and we were going 385 meter. We're gonna miss the mountains. Might get some highlands. Oh, right there's the KSC. Or is it over there? It's over there, right there. Yep. So we never left the atmosphere that time. Can we do crew reports? Anything? Already got it. Let's see where we land. We did get some, not a total, bumfuzzled mission here, but maybe next episode we can get into orbit. Hopefully, I'm going to change this to 1900, I guess. Because the booster's exploding into the side of the mountain. Hopefully this will be highlands. Oh, I can turn off that and save some battery, I guess. Report above the highlands. I guess we've already got it. Go ahead and pull and shoot. Okay, so there with the exploding rocket engine. That was set for 2,000 meters. Go ahead and speed up time. We got good connection, good battery. Can we send anything? We really want to bring it back, don't we? Upper atmosphere. We get more for bringing it back. Let's go ahead and speed up time. We could always hit the highlands, hopefully. Now, I don't like to build airplanes. I like to do the rockets and try to hit, make a ballistic rocket and try to hit where you're going instead of trying to fly over. Now, maybe a glider or something. I just don't like the airplanes on here. I know it's a space program, and a lot of the aeronautics has a lot to do with that, but slow down time. 6 meters per second with all of this equipment on, which is good for landing. Let's do an EVA report. Already got it. Can he take data just in case we don't have all of this? Take it. Take it. And get back in. Report from the highlands. Yep. Log the pressure from the highlands. Already got it. Log the temperature. Already got it. And the goo. We can't do anything about the goo. So it's time to recover. That really didn't help us any this time because we didn't send any cover. But it did give us a little bit of information about the lift. I added a tank, added a fuel tank. We got 27 science earned. So now we can get the, if we want it. I don't like going this route, but gives us some wheels, other cockpits, which are cool. We need 44. And you're going to cost us 45. So we will probably go this route. We'll do that. Go that route. Slowly opening the tech tree, I went this way for science first. This is going to be a booger to get down through here. Where's our next science experiment? Oh, right there, the lab. Once we get the lab, we put it into orbit and then just send all of our data up and let it start getting science for us. Take the data from the VAB, take all the data from the spaceplane hangar. We gathered a lot from the launch pad and the runway, but that hopefully that'll be soon, and we can start gaining science every day. Anyway, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.